Tappan Zee Constructors, TZC, are advancing the new bridge's eastbound span toward completion with the installation of the final 8 steel girder assemblies, expected to be finished by the end of summer 2018. The installation of the steel girders allowed TZC to form the base of the road deck, which is constructed from interlocking steel-reinforced concrete panels. Each span contains more than 3,000 prefabricated panels that are linked together to create a continuous surface. On April 17, 2018, Governor Cuomo announced plans to repurpose a span of the old Tappan Zee Bridge as part of an artificial reef project. The structure will be submerged approximately 2 miles off the coast of Long Island to support the development of a marine habitat. The super crane known as I Lift New York, with a lifting capacity of 1,700 tons, recently completed girder installation at the Westchester approach of the eastbound span, and is set to play a key role in dismantling the old bridge starting next week. Following detailed coordination with Metro North Railroad and the Thruway Authority, TZC utilized an innovative engineering technique to launch the girders from the Westchester abutment, pushing them over active railroad tracks and toward the concrete piers in the river.